You came to my channel! Thank you so much! That's amazing! I didn't think anyone was ever gonna see this except for me. Hey friends, it's Quirky Quinn, and welcome to my channel! How exciting is this? Just a baby right now, but if you believe in it, the baby will grow. You can help me raise it. Ta-da! You have officially been welcomed! And this is Miss Cupcake, who will be delivering to us the cupcake quote of the day. But you can't see it yet because we're not there. I've actually wanted to make a YouTube channel for a really long time, but I'm just not very technologically inclined. I'm pretty sure I've broken a toaster by trying to make a bagel. Then I realized, if you want to do something, don't let your inability to do it get in the way of you doing it. Makes sense to me. This channel is basically about spreading general happiness, and some videos remain mysteries. Not even I know what they could be. Ooh, guess you'll have to subscribe to find out. Ah. So if you're ever having a bad day, if you've lost your faith in humanity, if you just want to laugh, or if you need an excuse to waste a couple more seconds of your life on the internet, hit the magical subscribe button. And even if it's only one person watching, I hope that I can make a difference in that one person's day. My job is to make you smile, and if you want to give me a smile back, then all you have to do is hit that like or subscribe button, or both. ¿Por qué no las dos? As promised, the cupcake quote of the day. What you got for us? Today's quote is, "A daunting new journey is more rewarding than a tired old path. Be unafraid to embrace new joy." Author unknown. In other words, don't be afraid to join my adventure. We can be friends. Any hoozles. Bye guys. Have a beautiful day full of magic and joy. Bye bye.